Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by getting straight to the app page. Unlock the phone, open settings, then apps or apps and notifications. Once there, locate Google Play Store and tap it to open app info. You need the storage and storage usage button visible because this is where you clear data. Make sure you don't skip permissions review. We do that after clearing cache. Once done, pause here and confirm you see storage and clear cache or clear storage options on screen. You tap storage or storage and cache now. This reveals clear cache and clear storage or clear data. Clear cache first to remove temporary files without affecting your account. If problems persist, choose clear storage. This removes settings and requires you to sign in again. Understand why. Clearing storage resets the app to a fresh state, which resolves corrupt data and update issues. Once you confirm each action, exit settings and restart the Play Store to let it rebuild fresh files. You finish by reopening the Play Store and signing back in. This lets the app resync settings and restores normal operation. If problems continue, make sure to reboot the device and check Google Play Services. Clear its cache or update it because Play Services often controls behavior. If still broken, boot into safe mode to see if a third-party app conflicts, then uninstall recent apps. This final troubleshooting step
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.